Ready to take your next camping trip to the next level? In this video, we're revealing 12 must-have camping gadgets that will completely upgrade your outdoor experience in 2025 and beyond. From rooftop tin and portable power stations to solar suitcase and camping comfort you didn't know existed, these gadgets are built to make your adventures smarter, safer, and a whole lot easier. Stick around. Number 10 might just be the ultimate game changer for your gear setup. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. Without further ado, let's get started. Elevate your camping adventures with the HeyFun Explorer Pro rooftop tent. Your home in the wild. Crafted with a rugged aluminum hardshell and robust stainless steel gas struts, this overland-ready shelter pops open in just 5 seconds, giving you instant comfort. Inside, a plush, 3-layer detachable mattress and 13 storage pouches invite you to relax, while a built-in multi-port USB outlet lets you power devices effortlessly. The side awning offers extra shade and rain protection, and replaceable netting rain curtains ensure durability in every season. Designed for 2 adults and 1 child, it supports up to 660 pounds and resists rain, UV, and moisture with its 320G polyester fabric and sealing gaskets. It arrives pre-assembled in a sturdy wooden crate with ladder and mounting kit included, backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime accessory support. So your gear is adventure-ready from day one. Brew barista-quality coffee anywhere with the SOTECH all-in-one pour-over coffee maker set. Perfect for camping, travel, or home use. This complete kit includes a 304 stainless steel kettle with built-in thermometer, precision coffee grinder, dripper, and server, all neatly packed in a portable travel bag. Designed for freshness and flavor, it lets you enjoy rich, aromatic coffee no matter where your adventures take you. Durable, compact, and easy to use, SOTECH makes every cup a perfect start to your day. Harness the power of the sun wherever you go with the Renogy 400W lightweight portable solar suitcase. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this foldable solar panel delivers reliable, eco-friendly energy perfect for RVs, camping, and off-grid adventures. Its durable, IP67 waterproof construction ensures it stands up to the elements, while sturdy kickstands make setup quick and easy. Lightweight and portable, the Renogy solar suitcase keeps your devices charged and your adventures powered, wherever the road takes you. For those who demand reliability and precision, the CJRB Nanner pocket knife delivers. Featuring a 3.23-inch AR RPM 9 steel blade paired with a durable G10 handle, this sharp EDC knife is built to handle camping, hiking, and everyday tasks with ease. Its secure crossbar lock ensures safety and stability during use, while the sleek black design by Dustin Rhodes combines style with function. Compact and rugged, the Nanner is the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday carry alike. Maximize your road trip space with a RoofPax expandable car rooftop cargo carrier bag. Offering 15 to 19 cubic feet of waterproof storage, this durable carrier easily expands to fit your gear, whether you have a roof rack or not. Equipped with heavy-duty double zippers and tie-down straps, it keeps your belongings secure and protected from the elements. Lightweight yet tough, it's perfect for family vacations, camping, or weekend getaways, giving you more room inside your car without sacrificing convenience or safety. From trail to trowel, this tool does it all. The Barebones Hori Ultimate is built for outdoor adventurers who don't stop at the campsite. Whether you're clearing brush, slicing cordage, or prepping a fire pit, this Japanese-inspired multi-tool delivers rugged performance in the wild and refined precision in the garden. Its heat-treated 4CR13 stainless steel blade features both straight and serrated edges, secured with full tank construction for unbeatable durability. The smooth walnut handle offers ambidextrous comfort, while inch markings on the concave blade make planting and measuring effortless. Bonus features like a twine cutter and bottle opener add everyday utility. From pounding tent stakes to pulling weeds, this tool is your go-anywhere, do-anything companion. Keep your drinks and food ice cold and fresh wherever you go with the RTIC 52 Quart ultralight wheeled hard cooler. Designed for ultimate portability, its lightweight build and smooth rolling wheels make transporting your essentials effortless. Perfect for beach days, camping trips, or tailgates. With superior insulation, it locks in ice for hours, keeping everything chilled no matter the heat. Durable and spacious, this cooler is your go-to companion for every outdoor adventure, combining convenience and rugged performance in one sleek package. Turn every pool day into a party with the Gemini Floating Pool Party Bluetooth speaker. Boasting powerful 300W waterproof sound and immersive 270 degrees surround audio. It delivers crystal clear beats that keep the fun flowing all day long with a 24-hour battery life. Link over 50 speakers for massive sound. Enjoy built-in party lights, and bring the fun with mic and guitar inputs for your own jam sessions. Plus, convenient cup holders keep your drinks close while you dance. Float, party, and play, wherever the water takes you. Staying cool and comfortable outdoors is a must, and this 20,000 milliamp hours camping fan is designed to keep you refreshed no matter where you are. With up to 80 hours of powerful cooling, 100 adjustable speeds, and 180 degrees oscillation, it's perfect for tents, beaches, BBQs, and travel. The built-in light, remote control, and timer add ultimate convenience, while the rechargeable battery and handy hook make it ultra-portable. Enjoy fresh air and bright light wherever your adventure takes you. This fan is your perfect outdoor companion. Power on the go is essential for work, travel, and adventure, and the Odoga 500W car power inverter makes it effortless. This versatile 12V to 110V converter turns your vehicle's DC power into reliable AC electricity, letting you plug in laptops, phones, and more anywhere. With dual AC outlets plus fast USB and USB-C charging, it keeps all your devices powered up on road trips, camping, or daily commutes. Compact and easy to use, the Odoga inverter is the perfect travel companion to stay connected and productive wherever you are. Tire pressure is key to safe driving, better fuel efficiency, and longer tire life, no matter where you go. The RoofPax portable tire inflator is built tough to keep you ready with 3 power options: AC, DC, and rechargeable battery. With up to 160 PSI, it quickly inflates or deflates car, RV, and truck tires with precision thanks to its digital pressure gauge. Compact yet heavy-duty, it's perfect for on-the-go use, and the versatile design ensures you're covered whether at home, on the road, or off the grid. Stay safe and in control with RoofPax. Keeping your tires properly inflated is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and vehicle performance, especially for off-road adventures or heavy-duty use. The AstroAI TC3 portable tire inflator is your reliable partner, delivering up to 150 PSI with fast inflation in under a minute. Its digital display ensures precise pressure readings, while the auto shutoff prevents overinflation for added safety. Built tough with dual metal cylinders, this compact, heavy-duty pump is perfect for trucks, SUVs, RVs, and more. Plus, the built-in LED light and portable design mean you're ready anytime, day or night. Stay prepared and confident with AstroAI TC3.